Okay, so this is how to solve a Pyraminx. We're going to be going over the 5 algorithms at the end. Yeah, so here we go. First, before you do anything, make sure that you have all the 3 of these centers lined up, otherwise these algorithms won't work. So the first 2 algorithms have to do with headlights, which look like this. And for these cases, you're always going to be doing this pattern of R, R prime, R, R prime, with the U moves in between. So the first algorithm is you're going to look at this blue, or whichever side you're starting on. You're going to look at the headlights, and you're going to see if these pieces need to go to this side or this side. So these are blue, so obviously they're going to go to this side. So we're going to move them away from this side. So we're going to be doing U prime moves, right? Because that moves them away from blue. So basically we're going to be doing R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. And that's a really simple algorithm. It's pretty easy to remember. So yeah. So the mirror case of that is headlights again. So you're going to see which side it needs to go to. So these are green, so they need to go to this side. So instead of doing U primes, we need to move these away from the green side. So we're going to do U moves. So R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime. Alright, the next 2 algorithms are probably the hardest to recognize, but basically anytime that you have 3 unsolved pieces and they're not headlights, then this will be this case. So what you want to look for is, after aligning the centers, make sure the centers are aligned, it's very important, find the piece that has no matching side. So what I mean is, this edge piece has matching side here with blue, and this piece has matching side here with red. This piece doesn't match on this side or this side, so you're going to put this piece in the back. When this piece is in the back, you're going to look at the front and see which side isn't matching. So this side does have a matching edge, but this side doesn't. So we're going to start, and we're going to do a sledgehammer starting with this side. So sledgehammer, and now we're going to put this piece in by moving it over so it's not in the back. So in this case, if we do a U move, it'll go to the back, but if we do a U prime, it won't. So we're going to do a U prime, and then we're going to do a simple insert. So the way you do the simple insert is you just move the bottom up. So this piece needs to go here, so you're going to move this edge up here, and now you're going to slide the edge in. Jesus. And then you're going to move that back down. So simple insert, the edge is here. Just think of it as like an inverse sexy move. You move the piece here, then you move the edge up, and the piece back, and the edge back. And that's done. Okay. Like that. So here we have the inverse case. Again, we see that this piece matches, and this piece matches, but this piece does not match, so this goes in the back. And as you see, this side matches, but this side doesn't. So we're going to do a sledgehammer starting with the left. Like that. And now we have this edge, so we're going to move this edge over so it's not in the back. And then we're going to bring the green, or the bottom piece, up, and then replace it, and then bring it back down. So there we go. That's 4 of the algorithms. The last one's pretty simple. You can do the mirror of this algorithm if you want, but the way I do it is, oopsies. So the way, starting with left hand, and then after that, you're going to do a U prime, and then, so now the edge should be in the back, and now you're going to move the bottom edge up, and then you're going to move the back edge in and then back down. So you're going to do lefty sledgehammer, and then you're going to move the edge to the back and do an RUR. RUR, or RUR prime, but I mean, RUR is easy to remember and it's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, those are the 5 algorithms. I'm just going to show you one more way to do this last algorithm. So instead, you could do the opposite, or the mirror of the algorithm I just showed you for this case, which is you do a righty sledgehammer and move it to the back, and this time you do an LUL. You can use either one of those algorithms. I'm faster with that, but I mean, I'm not really that fast at Pyraminx either, so you can do whichever one feels more comfortable for you.